In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create loan application forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open Claude AI in your browser as well. You will use both tools together to speed up the form creation process. Before generating the form, decide what information you want to collect in your loan application. A typical loan form should include applicant details, financial information, the requested loan amount, repayment terms, and any supporting documents that may be required. Having a clear goal at the beginning will help Claude AI generate a more useful form structure. Next, in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly. Create a loan application form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for applicant details, financial information, loan request details, and supporting documents. Make it clear, professional, and ready to use. After submitting the prompt, allow Claude AI to generate the form for you directly in Jotform. Once that is complete, return to Jotform and locate the new form in your account. Open it and review the layout carefully. At this stage, you can make the form more specific to your loan process. Add fields if needed for employment details, income sources, credit information, loan amount, and document uploads. This will make the application more complete and more useful for review. Now organize the form so it follows a clear flow. Start with applicant information, then move into financial details, followed by loan request information, and finally, any required document uploads. A clean structure makes the form easier for applicants to complete. After arranging the sections, customize the form by editing field labels, adding helpful instructions, and marking required fields. Make sure the wording is clear and professional so applicants understand exactly what to provide. Then open the form settings and adjust anything needed for processing applications. You can enable notifications, approval flows, or integrations depending on how you plan to manage submissions. Once everything is set, preview the form and test the full submission process. Check that each section works correctly, required fields behave as expected, and file uploads function properly. When the form looks good and works the way you want, publish it. You can then copy the direct form link or embed it on your website so applicants can start submitting their loan requests. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.